What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add cinematic crop bars on your video. Keep in mind, if this is your first time to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now so you can see more videos like this. Just to give you an alert that I have new merchandise, the I Am Creative shirt in the online store. So the link for that is down below. Make sure to pick you up one after the video. Now I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet because I wanna get straight to the point so you can start adding these crop bars on top of your video as soon as possible. Within DaVinci Resolve, there are 3 ways to go about that. And the first 2 ways are within DaVinci Resolve itself. And then the last one, it's a special gift from me that I'm going to give to you. So make sure you stick around. Okay, so first we're gonna pull out our DaVinci Resolve. And the first way we're going to add our black bars is we're going to go to the timeline options right up here. And then we're gonna scroll all the way down where it says output blinking. And now we have a few options we can choose from, a few different aspect ratios that we can choose from. My favorite aspect ratio that I use a lot is 2:35. I like to get my crop bars looking like that for almost all my videos. Unless I'm doing anamorphic or whatever it may be, this is my go-to. The only bad thing about this method is that this is going to stay on top of your video no matter what. So there's no section of the video that you could take this sequence off. There's no way for you to take it out unless you take it out completely if you're using this method by going to the same option with the timeline and then you go to reset. And that's the best way to do that. Now, the second method is pretty intuitive. All you have to do is go to your effects library. You're gonna grab your adjustment clip and throw it right over your clip, just like that, all right? Make sure it goes over all the clips you want to have the black bars. And what you're gonna do now is you're going to go to your inspector and you're gonna go to the cropping menu and you're gonna crop it from top and bottom. You get to select the aspect ratio that best suits you and what you wanna do. So there's no limit to what you can choose. But the only thing is just make sure that whatever you get on the top, you copy it and you paste it on the bottom as well. So that way you could keep it even, okay? The only downside about this method that I don't like personally is the fact that it starts to clutter in my timeline. Either I have too much clips to think about. I have another adjustment clip for my coloring or different adjustment clips that I have going on throughout the edit. This would be just an extra adjustment layer that I don't want to worry about. Now, the third method to adding the crop bars is PNG Bars. I've created numerous different types of aspect ratios for you to use on your videos, and you could download all of them down below. I made sure to add 2K files in there and 3K files in there, 4K files, and also 6K files and regular HD files if you want. So no matter what size your timeline is, you have an aspect ratio crop bar that will fit for your specific resolution. You can go ahead and get you these bars and start using it for your videos. And the good thing about them is that it's future proof. Either you're using 4K or 6K, they're ready to go immediately. And while you're there, make sure you pick up one of the I Am Creative shirts so that way you could look fly on your shoots or just running your errands. Once you've downloaded the files, just go to your media pool and click and drag the file right over your clip. And as you can see, it fit perfectly right in there. And that's how simple it is to use this. Now, I hope you take advantage of these PNG files because they're very easy and very intuitive to use. Just click, drag and drop on top of your files. Now, if this video has been very helpful to you, hit me with the thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. Don't forget to go to the store and pick up your I Am Creative t-shirt and also download your PNG files. Until next time, I'll see you on my next one. Deuces.